Did you know breakfast can make or break your blood sugar for the entire day? Most people don't realize their healthy first meal is actually pushing glucose sky high, setting off cravings, brain fog, and afternoon crashes. In this video, I'll fix that. We're walking through 10 truly diabetes-friendly breakfasts that are easy, delicious, and scientifically smart. You'll learn simple swaps, exact portions, and the best add-ons to stabilize glucose, protect your heart, kidneys, and nerves, and keep you energized. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start your mornings with confidence. 1. Eggs. Any style. Boiled, poached, scrambled, omelet. Eggs are a near-perfect breakfast for diabetics because their glycemic index is essentially 0, meaning they don't directly spike blood sugar. One medium egg has around 70 calories, approximately 6 grams high-quality protein, and less than 1 gram carbs, plus vitamins D, B12, A, selenium, and phosphorus. These support energy, immunity, and metabolic health. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health, critical for preventing diabetic retinopathy. Choline supports brain and nerve function, helpful against neuropathy, and omega-3 enriched eggs can benefit heart health. How to use it? Up to 2 eggs per day is generally fine for most people. If you've got high LDL or blood pressure, go heavier on egg whites and lighter on yolks. Cook methods that keep it clean, boiled, poached, or scrambled with a little olive oil. Veggie omelets, spinach, peppers, mushrooms, add fiber and micronutrients. Avoid frying in lots of oil or pairing with white bread and sugary sauces. Portion and pairings. 2 eggs with a side of salad, half an avocado, or 1 slice of whole or multi-grain toast is a balanced combo. Sprinkle herbs, black pepper, or chili flakes for flavor without added sugar. 2. Greek yogurt with blueberries. Unsweetened. Greek yogurt has a very low GI, approximately 14, and is naturally high in protein, which helps with satiety and glucose control. Blueberries sit around a moderate GI, but shine in small portions due to fiber and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants. Together, they create a steady, blood sugar-friendly breakfast. Quick nutrition guide per approximately 100 grams portions. Greek yogurt, unsweetened, approximately 59 kilocalories, approximately 10 grams protein, approximately 3.6 grams carbs, approximately 0.4 grams fat. Blueberries, approximately 57 kilocalories, approximately 14.5 grams carbs, approximately 2.4 grams fiber. Greek yogurt brings calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics that support gut health and inflammation control. Blueberries support insulin sensitivity, cardiovascular health, and eye protection. Portion and build. Use approximately 150 grams Greek yogurt plus 50 to 75 grams fresh blueberries. Top with chopped walnuts/almonds for healthy fats, chia or flax for more fiber and omega-3s, and a pinch of cinnamon to support insulin sensitivity. Keep it unsweetened. If needed, a tiny amount of stevia is fine. 3. Chia. Pudding with blueberries. Chia seeds have virtually no glycemic impact because their carbs are mostly fiber. They form a gel that slows gastric emptying and glucose absorption, keeping your blood sugar steady for hours. They're rich in omega-3s, too. Base method. Soak 2 tablespoons chia seeds in 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, or similar, for at least 4 hours or overnight. That yields approximately 150 grams of pudding. Add 50 to 75 grams blueberries on top. Nutrition snapshot. Approximate for 100 grams pudding plus 50 grams berries. Approximately 150 kilocalories, approximately 4 grams protein, approximately 7 grams healthy fat, approximately 17 grams carbs, approximately 9 to 10 grams fiber total. Add a dash of cinnamon. Sprinkle a teaspoon of ground flax for extra fiber. Add crushed nuts for crunch. Keep any sweetener sugar-free and minimal. 4. Oatmeal, steel cut or old-fashioned. Oatmeal has a moderate GI, approximately 55, but its superstar fiber, beta-glucan, slows glucose absorption and supports healthy cholesterol. It's also a good source of magnesium, manganese, zinc, and iron. Make it work for diabetes. Choose steel-cut or old-fashioned oats over instant. Use water or unsweetened plant milk. Avoid honey and sugar. Go for flavor enhancers that help blood sugar. Cinnamon, vanilla, a small handful of berries, chopped nuts, or a spoon of chia flax mixed in while cooking. Portion: approximately 40 to 50 grams dry oats, approximately 1/2 cup, cooked into a bowl. For a savory option, add a poached egg and sautéed spinach or a sprinkle of cheese for protein and satiety. 5. Multigrain avocado toast. Multigrain bread. Look for whole grains plus visible seeds. Has more fiber and a slower glucose release than white bread. Avocado, GI approximately 15, provides heart-healthy fats and fiber, helping blunt glucose spikes and keeping you full. Build the plate. 1 slice, approximately 33 grams, of multigrain toast topped with half a medium avocado. Add a boiled or scrambled egg for protein. Season with lemon juice, garlic, chili flakes, or a drizzle of olive oil. Sprinkle chia or pumpkin seeds for more fiber and minerals. Why it works. The combo of fiber plus healthy fat plus moderate carbs equals steadier energy, better satiety, and improved insulin response. Get low-carb smoothies, smart formula. Most smoothies spike blood sugar because they're fruit-heavy. The fix: flip the formula to emphasize fats, fiber, and protein, then add just a little low-sugar fruit for flavor. Example: creamy avocado. Protein: smoothie, half avocado, 3/4 to 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or similar. Half cup low-fat Greek yogurt. Optional: 1 scoop protein powder. Vanilla extract, cinnamon, ice. Optional: a few berries for taste. Macros: approximately 250 to 300 kilocalories per serving, approximately 15 to 25 grams of protein with powder, approximately 12 to 18 grams of fat, mostly healthy, approximately 10 to 18 grams of carbs, with approximately 6 to 9 grams of fiber depending on add-ins. Add a pinch of stevia if needed. Spinach blends in invisibly and boosts fiber without added sugar. 7. Cottage cheese bowl, savory or lightly sweet. Cottage cheese is naturally high in protein, relatively low in carbs, and very versatile. It may even help reduce insulin resistance. It also pairs beautifully with low GI veggies or a controlled amount of fruit. Savory idea: whip cottage cheese in a blender for a creamier texture. Top with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, basil, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add a spoon of walnuts or pumpkin seeds for crunch and minerals. Lightly sweet idea: top with 4 to 6 strawberry slices or a few blueberries, plus chia seeds and cinnamon. Keep fruit modest to prevent spikes. Portion: approximately 3/4 to 1 cup cottage cheese as a base. Add low-carb toppers to taste. 8. Wheat. Bran cereal, high-fiber champion. Wheat bran, the outer layer of the wheat kernel, is fiber-dense with a low glycemic load. It slows glucose absorption, supports gut health, and increases satiety. Portion and pairing. About 28 to 30 grams wheat bran cereal served with unsweetened milk or high-protein yogurt. Add a small handful of berries, chopped nuts, and cinnamon. The combination of fiber plus protein plus healthy fats is what keeps your glucose steady. Pro tip: verify labels. Some brand cereals hide added sugars. Choose the simplest ingredient list you can find. 9. Tofu scramble with multigrain. Toast. Tofu is a plant protein hero, high in protein, low in carbs, and very filling. Crumble firm tofu and sauté with olive oil, turmeric, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Fold in spinach, onions, zucchini, and mushrooms to add volume, fiber, and micronutrients. Plate it. Serve the tofu scramble with one slice, approximately 33 grams, of multigrain toast. The protein from tofu plus the fiber from toast and veggies delivers steady energy and improved glycemic response. Make it tastier. Add smoked paprika, garlic, or nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without actual cheese. 10. Multigrain toast with nut butter. This one is fast, satisfying, and portable. The healthy fats from nut butter, peanut, almond, or cashew, choose unsweetened, slow glucose entry into the bloodstream. The fiber in multigrain bread adds another break on sugar spikes. Simple build: one slice, 33 grams, multigrain toast plus 1 tablespoon natural nut butter, 16 grams. That's roughly approximately 190 kilocalories, approximately 8 to 9 grams of protein, approximately 10 grams of healthy fat, approximately 19 grams of carbs, and approximately 3 to 4 grams of fiber. Add chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. If you want a hint of sweetness, place 3 to 4 thin strawberry slices on top instead of honey or jam. Why it works? Healthy fats plus fiber plus moderate carbs equals smoother glucose curve and longer satiety. Putting it all together, quick planning tips. Choose one protein anchor: eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, protein powder. Add a fiber partner: chia, flax, vegetables, small berries, bran, multigrain bread with visible seeds. Use healthy fats strategically: avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil. Watch portions of starch and fruit. They're not bad, but the balance matters. Flavor with glucose-friendly boosts: cinnamon, vanilla, lemon, herbs, chili flakes. Sample 3-day breakfast rotation, plug and play. Day 1, veggie omelet, 2 eggs, spinach, peppers, mushrooms, plus half an avocado on the side. Day 2, Greek yogurt, approximately 150 grams, plus 60 grams blueberries plus walnuts, plus chia, plus cinnamon. Day 3, steel-cut oatmeal, half cup, dry, cooked, topped with 6 to 8 raspberries, cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon chopped almonds. Repeat or swap in chia pudding, cottage cheese bowl, tofu scramble, or the avocado smoothie as needed. Conclusion: breakfast doesn't need to be a glucose gamble. With these 10 simple, delicious, and proven meal ideas, you'll stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, protect your heart, nerves, and kidneys, and actually enjoy what you're eating. Pick 2 or 3 to start. Rotate them through the week. Notice your energy, mood, and numbers. They'll tell you it's working. If any of these stood out, tell me which one you'll try first. And if you want, I can turn your favorite into a 7-day breakfast plan with a grocery list and prep steps.